Japan's condominium management industry faces a growing crisis. Japan's condominium management industry is facing serious challenges. In June 2026, Japan's Fair Trade Commission reportedly found that around 40 companies involved in large-scale condominium renovation work had violated the Anti-Monopoly Act. The case has shocked the industry because it highlighted concerns about bid rigging or collusion in condominium repair projects. Why does this matter to property owners and investors? Large-scale repairs are essential for maintaining aging condominiums. But if companies coordinate bids instead of competing fairly, repair costs could become unnecessarily high, and ultimately those costs can affect condominium owners through higher management fees and repair reserve contributions. The problem goes beyond bid rigging. Japan's condominium management industry is also facing questions about compliance with new regulations, cybersecurity, and the need to adapt to a changing society. A revised condominium-related law came into effect in April 2026. The new rules introduced regulations concerning management, company-controlled management structures. However, there are concerns that some businesses may be trying to avoid the new requirements by taking advantage of gaps in the law. If this happens, it could undermine the purpose of the reform. Another major concern is cybersecurity. Earlier this year, several condominium management companies reported ransomware and other cyber attacks. These companies were victims of crime. But the attacks exposed another serious risk. Management companies hold important information about condominium buildings, owners, residents, and transactions. If their systems are attacked, the damage can go beyond the company itself. For example, important property documents may become unavailable, potentially disrupting condominium transactions. This means cybersecurity is no longer just an IT issue. It can directly affect property owners, buyers, sellers, and investors. So what does this mean for real estate investors? When buying a condominium in Japan, investors often focus on the purchase price, rental income, location, and yield. But management quality is also extremely important. You should check the condominium's repair reserve fund, management fees, planned large-scale repairs, and the financial condition of the management association. It is also worth understanding who manages the property and how transparent the management process is. Japan has millions of aging condominiums, and the importance of proper maintenance will continue to grow. The key lesson is simple. A property is not just the apartment itself. Its long-term value also depends on how the entire building is managed and maintained. For investors, understanding management risks, repair costs, regulations, and cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important. As Japan's condominium stock continues to age, investors who look beyond the purchase price may be better prepared for the risks ahead.